Did you know that elephants greet each other in ways we're only beginning to understand? Imagine a world where whispers travel for miles, where the lift of a trunk speaks volumes, and where a scent can convey a lifetime of memories. This is the world of elephants, a world rich in communication, emotions, and social complexity. For too long, we've underestimated the depth and sophistication of animal interactions, viewing them through a lens of simplicity. But the reality is far more intricate and awe-inspiring. The notion that animal interactions are purely instinctual, devoid of emotion or nuance, is a misconception. It's easy to fall into the trap of anthropomorphism, attributing human-like qualities to animals. However, it's equally misleading to deny the richness and complexity of their communication. Elephants, with their intricate social structures and remarkable cognitive abilities, shatter this myth. Their greetings, far from being simple acts of recognition, are a testament to their emotional depth and social intelligence. Elephant societies are matriarchal, with older, experienced females leading the herd. These herds, often composed of related females and their young, rely on a complex system of communication to maintain cohesion and navigate their environment. Vocalizations, ranging from low-frequency rumbles to high-pitched trumpets, convey a range of emotions and information. Visual cues, such as the position of their ears or the curl of their trunks, add another layer of meaning. And then there's the often overlooked world of scent, a powerful tool for communication in the elephant realm. Recent research has unveiled the remarkable complexity of elephant greetings. These interactions are not merely visual or auditory, they engage multiple senses, creating a symphony of signals that convey identity, emotional state, and social standing. Let's delve into the fascinating world of elephant greetings, exploring the nuances of their vocalizations, gestures, and olfactory communication. Elephants possess a remarkable vocal range, producing sounds that span frequencies both audible and inaudible to humans. Their low-frequency rumbles, some of which travel through the ground rather than air, can carry for miles, facilitating communication over long distances. These rumbles convey a range of information, from warnings about predators to announcements of their location to distant family members. Higher-pitched trumpets, on the other hand, often signal excitement, alarm, or aggression. The flexibility and dexterity of an elephant's trunk make it an expressive tool for communication. A gentle trunk touch, for instance, can convey affection or reassurance, while a raised trunk, often accompanied by a trumpet blast, signals a warning or a challenge. Ear position, too, plays a role in their communication. Spread ears often indicate alertness or aggression, while ears held close to the head may signal fear or submission. Elephants possess a keen sense of smell, and chemical signals play a crucial role in their communication. Urine, feces, and secretions from temporal glands, just behind their eyes, all carry chemical messages that convey information about an individual's sex, age, reproductive status, and even emotional state. Upon encountering a familiar individual, elephants often engage in a ritualized greeting that involves sniffing these scent glands, gathering crucial information about their counterpart. The complexity of elephant communication challenges our traditional notions of intelligence. It underscores the fact that intelligence manifests itself in diverse ways, shaped by the evolutionary pressures and ecological niches of each species. Elephants, with their intricate social structures, remarkable memories, and sophisticated communication systems, demonstrate a form of intelligence that is both profound and inspiring. The study of elephant communication is a window into the vast and often underappreciated world of animal intelligence. It reveals the intricate ways in which animals navigate their social environments, communicate their needs, and form lasting bonds. As we delve deeper into this realm, we gain a newfound appreciation for the diversity and wonder of the natural world. The next time you encounter footage of elephants interacting, take a moment to observe their behavior with fresh eyes. Listen to their vocalizations, watch their gestures, and imagine the silent language of scent passing between them. Question your assumptions, challenge your preconceptions, and embrace the complexity of the animal world. For in doing so, we not only expand our understanding of other species, but also deepen our connection to the natural world we share.